What I'm working on here today is a Tecumseh powered Ariens snow thrower. The original engine on here has been replaced with a different engine that wasn't really designed for this one. The way they have it set up is this clutch mechanism here for the augers is always going to be engaged, and there is nothing to turn the belt on and off. This belt is on here tight, so no matter if you put this up or down to engage that, this should be on the opposite side and it should have a different belt on there. Also, the muffler here is a little janky and we'll work on that. Okay, pull that pulley off of there and take this belt off here. Okay, there is no belt cover over this since it was modified with a different engine here. So what I'm going to do is take some measurements and then custom make one. Okay, I took some quick measurements and I drew a little sketch out here. I'll get some cardboard and then mock one up. Okay, I have this belt guard mocked up here and I'm pretty pleased with it, so I'm going to go ahead and make it out of some metal. I have my mocked up belt guide here and I laid it out on a piece of tin, and I'm going to cut it out and then rivet it together. Okay, I got it cut out and bent up here. I'm going to go ahead and rivet it together. Okay, so the self-propelled isn't working, so I took these two bolts out here, loosened these two up, and then this pan will drop off. Okay, I noticed right away this thing is supposed to have a light coat of grease on it right there, that little shaft, and it's very, very sticky. I'm going to take some brake parts cleaner and put some eye protection on, and I'm going to clean that off. Okay, I was able to put a little bit of penetrating oil on this shaft that runs along up here, and was able to free it up. So now I'm going to clean all this off and I'm going to coat it with a very light coat of grease. You don't want to have any oil get onto this or grease onto this rubber wheel here or this plate in the back. Okay, I just put a real light coat of wheel bearing grease on there. Everything's working great now. Sliding real nice. And when you engage this, it is nice and tight, so everything should work now. I'll go ahead and put this cover back on and bolt it down. Now I can take it off the jack stands. Okay, my belt came in. I took the 2 bolts out that are here, split the machine apart a little bit, slip the belt on the pulley, and I'll just put that bolt back in there. We'll put this on this pulley here, tighten these down, put the guard on. Okay, finally all done here. I put a different muffler on here, found a belt that would work for it, and I'm just going to put the cover on and we're all done with this one.